Here to expose the biggest Obeah walking voodoo witchcraft entity or business in our whole entire world. The greatest voodoo witchcraft or Obeah, whatever you want to call it, we what the most Obeah upon the people on the earth is the medical industry. They have zero testimony of people who they have cured from the business name, diabetes, herpes, thyroids. All they do is treat, yet they have the most customer. They don't advertise because it was embedded in us from our mother, father. So when we see the white suit and the dress up and the office that box our brain, we now become confident. Nobody asks the doctor what they're giving them, but everybody asks the herbalist, how is this bush? Is it gonna hurt my liver? This is how their voodoo is so strong. Most people, when they're the other day I see a herbalist trying to sell some people something in the hairdresser room, and they interrogate the Rastaman, interrogate before they purchase one little bottle. I couldn't do that. I would just become a farmer and just go barefoot and live on the land. So, yes, there you have it. If you can break from them, you break. People are out here asking me, if I come for you for the diabetes package, can I still take the medication? I said no. Yes, I said no. You're not ready. Over here, we are result fanatics, meaning we crazy over result, and everybody who spend their energy, which you call money, is expecting result. So if you're still with the doctor, stay with the doctor, because they have already got you. Mayday, mayday. Yes. One casualty. We got him. He has purchased the business name Diabetes. And after they spell you, yes. Remember what the word pharmacy mean? Sorcery. They are the biggest Obeah walking industry in our whole entire world. This is why you still eat the medication. No, it's not good for you, but you're still on it, right? Take this and do whatever you want to do with it. Because this, even if you don't like me, at true, this is called the objective truth. It has nothing to do with my personality. Even if you don't like this, at true. So let's see what you do with the information. Continue to feed the greatest voodoo industry on the planet. Yeah, man, new book, Earth, Amazon, on the website here in Jamaica. New mindset. Get the book, Earth, book 1.